Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with this beautiful DIY. It's a clock table using all dollar store and thrifted items. If you want to see how I created this beautiful piece, then just keep on watching. Here are the items needed for this DIY. First, I'm using this old clock that I purchased a long time ago from the Value Village. It was thrifted. I am also using some mirror tiles that I picked up at the Dollarama. Adding some bling wrap. Some crystal gems also from the Dollarama. My E6000 glue. And two of these beautiful baskets from the Dollarama as well. These were $4 each. And of course, I'll be using my hot glue gun. The first thing I've done is to measure out my mirror tiles, and what I'll be doing is I will be applying it along the side of the clock all the way around. Now these mirror tiles are self-adhesive, but in order to get that long-lasting effect, I am adding my E6000 glue to the back of it, and then I'll just apply it all the way around the clock. After applying the glue, I just place the mirror tiles on the side of the clock and just hold it in place firmly just to make sure that it is properly adhered. And after working my way around, this is what it looks like. This project is coming on really nicely. My next step is to cover the additional black parts of the clock using my bling wrap because the mirror tiles are not as flexible to complete that piece. And with the entire clock covered in bling, this is what it looks like. I think it's beautiful. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Now with the top part all done, let's work on the base of our table. I have spray painted my baskets in silver to cover the orange piece and just to kind of brighten it using the Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint. I will also be adding some gems to it, to the basket, and what I'll be doing is I'll be adding it to every other notch. So starting there, skip one to the next, skipping all the way down to the bottom of it. And just like that, I've finished adding all the gems. Isn't that cute? And feel free with this piece to add the gems in any design you prefer. My next step is to light up my table. I got these lights from the Dollar Tree. I will be adding one to the top of the bottom basket, and then I will add two more to the bottom of the clock. You'll see how it turns out at the end. For the last step, I'll be taking my E6000 glue, placing it on the bottom of one of the baskets, and then I'll place the other one on top to make sure that they're adhered together, and that will complete my pedestal. Once this is dried, I will place my clock on top and I will come back and show you what the finished product looks like. And here's the finished product, penny pinchers. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. I just love this piece. What I did was I added another strip of bling wrap around where the two baskets are joined, just to make sure that that seam is not noticeable. Look how gorgeous this is. And just so you know, I did not adhere the clock to the top of the baskets because I want to make sure that I'm able to change the batteries or change the lighting should in case they go out. But if it is your choice, you can absolutely go ahead and adhere it. I have another clock that I did that the two pieces are totally combined together. But in this project, I did not choose to do so. And here it is with the lights. So these are the lights from the Dollar Tree that I placed one on the top of the bottom basket and the other two on the clock. Absolutely gorgeous. This would also be very beautiful with string lights. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if this is your first time seeing my channel and you like what you see, I'd love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And to my lovely penny pinchers, thank you all so much for watching. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalom is saying bye bye.